Dear student, today we are going to start 11th standard mathematics, the next chapter, basic algebra, chapter number 2. And in this chapter, first we are going to start the important part of this chapter, partial fraction. Now come to first type of it is partial fraction. Basic algebra, the topic name is partial fraction, the type 1. For example, the given expression in the form of 3x plus it is 7 by x plus 1 x plus 4, and this it is fraction, it is a improper fraction. We have to decomposing of denominator to convert this fraction as it is. The a as sum of the numerator, the unknown number, it is called a by first factor is called x plus it is 1 as denominator, plus b by it is second factor is called this x plus it is 4. Therefore, this expression 3x plus 7 by x plus 1 x plus 4 decomposed into the fraction of a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus is 4, type 1. Just we have to first factor as numerator is called a and first denominator is called first factor, plus second it is numerator is called defined by b, the second factor defined by x plus a. This type 1. Type 2. The given expression, it is 4x plus it is 9 by x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. Three factors in the denominator we decompose into a by the first factor x plus it is 1, plus it is b by the second factor x plus it is 2, plus it is c by it is third factor it is x plus 3. And this it is expression decomposed into a by x plus 1, plus b by x plus 2, plus c by it is x plus 3. We are decomposing into the partial fraction method. Now type 3, 9x plus it is 10 by x plus it is 1 whole power 3. It is power form. So for this it is power form. First we have to write a by within the bracket of it is x plus it is 1, the term x plus 1, and then b by it is x plus 1 whole square, because power is called it is x plus it is 1 whole cube. Then again it is plus c by x plus 1 it is whole power 3. Therefore the power first we can write x plus 1 first denominator, then x plus 1 whole square as second denominator, then x plus 1 whole power 3 as third denominator, and a by x plus 1, b by x plus 1 whole square, plus c by x plus 1 whole power 3. We have to applying of it is any of the denominator as a power form. Type 4, the given expression in the form of 8x plus is 7 by x plus 2, x plus 3 whole square. Here it is one of the factor and also the power factors are involved. For this one, first we have to write a by the first factor x plus it is 1, then it is b by within the bracket of x plus it is 3 first factor, plus it is c by x plus it is 3 whole square. So power factor we have to separate, it is x plus 3 one factor and then one x plus it is 3 whole square. Therefore this it is decomposed into a by it is x plus it is 2 first factor, plus b by within the bracket x plus it is 3, plus c by it is x plus 3 it is whole square. We have to decompose by applying a partial fraction. Now last type it is 5. 7x plus 9 by x plus it is 1, x square plus it is x plus 1. This it is called, it is quadratic equation. It is non it is real, or it is no real, it is real, it is form. So it obtain it is imaginary value. For that it is quadratic equation. As for the same one, first factor x plus 1, so a by it is x plus 1. And for this denominator it is x square plus x, the corresponding we can write linear it is form. We know the linear is called y is equal to mx plus it is c. It is called linear it is equation. So the corresponding denominator we can write numerator as a linear form. It is bx plus it is c. Mx plus c, instead of that we can write bx plus it is c. Therefore a by the first factor x plus it is 1, plus it is the denominator is called x square plus x plus it is 1. It is called quadratic equation. It obtain it is no real it is form. It is zeros or imaginary values are obtained. For that it is corresponding denominator we can apply the numerator is called a linear form. That linear form is called bx plus c. Now using this type of equation, just we have to apply it as a partial fraction to solve some of the sum in this exercise. Come to the first example. Example number 2.25. It is 25th example. Resolve into the partial fraction for the given expression x plus x by x plus 3 x minus it is 4. So now the given equation x by x plus it is 3 into x plus x minus 4, that we have to decompose in denominator. First a by first denominator it is x plus it is 3, plus it is b by the second denominator x minus it is 4. Now that is equal to, we call this equation that is equal to 1. Now taking of common denominator, just we have to cross product denominators. Therefore, x plus it is 3 into x minus 4 as denominator. Just cross product term a into x minus it is 4 plus it is b into it is x plus it is 3. Now that is equal to x by x plus it is 3 into x minus 4 as it is. Now look at this expression. Both left hand side right hand side are same in denominator. Both are it is cancelled. The remaining x that is equal to a into x minus it is 4 plus it is b into x plus it is 3. Now this call this equation is equal to 2. So now we want to find out value of it is a and b, and suppose we have to substitute it is x value equal to minus 4 plus 4. Therefore plus 4 minus 4 cancel, a will cancel, we applying a b value. Supposed to be we can substitute x value equal to minus 3 plus 3, then b will cancel, be possible to find out value of it is a. Now just we have find out as it is a value, then when we can substitute it is x that is equal to minus 3. Therefore left hand side x equal to what? Minus 3. Therefore minus 3 is equal to a into minus 3 minus it is 4 plus b into it is minus 3 minus it is plus it is 3. Therefore minus 3 plus 3 we obtain the value equal to 0. The second term fully 0. Minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 it is a. Therefore second term equal to 0. Therefore minus 3 is equal to minus 7 it is a. Therefore a is equal to minus cancel. 3 by it is 7 is called it is a value. Similarly, just we have to substitute the value of it is x is equal to plus it is 4. Therefore what is that? Left hand side equation x equal to 4. Therefore 4 that is equal to a into 4 minus it is 4 x value equal to 4 plus it is b into 4 plus it is 3. Now 4 that is equal to a 0, the obtained value 0 into a equal to 0 plus it is 7 it is b. That is equal to 7 it is b that is equal to 4. Therefore it is b equal to 4 by it is 7 is called this b value. Now what we have to do, just we have to replace the a value b value in the first equation. Therefore the equation 1 that implies the left hand side equation x by x minus it is plus it is 3 into x minus 4 that is equal to a value equal to what? A value equal to 3 by 7. 3 by it is 7 by x plus 3, x plus it is 3 plus b value equal to 4 by 7, 4 by it is 7, it is b value by x minus it is 4. Now just 7 right denominator form, 3 by 7 into x plus it is 3 plus it is 4 by 7 into x minus it is 4, and it is partial it is fraction for decomposing of denominator. The final it is simplification. Come to next example number 2.26. The resolve into the partial it is fraction the given expression 2x by x square plus 1 x minus it is 1. Therefore given one of the it is called it is factor, it is linear form, another it is factor in the quadratic equation form, it is applying it is non-real it is roots, non-real roots. Therefore we have to write this one, it is first write a by this factor is called it is x minus 1 plus it is denominator defined by it is x square plus it is 1. The corresponding numerator we can apply a linear form. Linear form is called bx plus it is c. Now this equation just we can call it is equal to 1. Now we have to find out as it is common denominator, just transfer the term x minus 1 into x square plus it is 1 as denominator. Just multiply the cross product a into x square plus it is 1 plus it is bx plus it is c into it is x minus 1. Just cross product term. Now it is 2x, left hand side 2x by it is x square plus it is 1 into it is x minus it is 1, and both are same and both are it is cancel. The remaining it is left hand side 2x that is equal to a into just multiply the term, it is ax square plus it is a plus it is just multiply the term, it is b it is x square, then it is minus it is bx, then it is plus it is c it is x minus c. This is the final it is equal. That is equal to ax square plus it is bx square, then minus it is bc plus it is bx cx, then it is plus it is a minus it is b minus c, and constant term. It is called defined by it is 2, it is x, left hand side equation. Now we can take another expression that is equal to a into x square plus it is 1 plus it is bx plus it is c into it is x, it is minus 1, and call this equation is equal to 2. In this equation, just we can put x value equal to it is 1 minus 1 it is 0, therefore the second term fully cancelled, we obtain the value of it is a, and then we can put any one of the x value, if possible to obtain any one of value of b and c. Then we can obtain of any other value, put a value of x to find out the value of it is b. Now first we have to put x value equal to 1 to cancel this in the second term. Now when x that is equal to 1, what is left hand side? 2x, therefore x value equal to it is 1. 2 into 1 that is equal to, update in this expression, so in the second equation. Therefore a into 1 it is whole square plus it is 1 plus it is b within the bracket of it is 1 plus it is c into 1 minus it is 1, x value equal to 1. Therefore left hand side it is 2, that is equal to a into 1 square is called 1 plus it is 1 is equal to 2 plus it is b plus it is c into it is separate value 0. Therefore second term fully cancelled. Therefore it is 2, it is a, that is equal to 2. Therefore a equal to 1. A equal to 1. Now just next one, the second it is equation. Just we have to substitute it is value, that is x value equal to supposed to be 0. When put x value equal to 0, what is the left hand side equation? 2 into x equal to 0. Therefore 2 into x value equal to 0. Then it is a into x value equal to 0 square. It is 0 square plus it is 1 plus it is b into 0 plus it is c, x value, into 0 minus it is 1. 0 minus it is 1. In the second equation, the second it is equation. Now 0 that is equal to a into it is 0 is cancelled, it is 1. Plus it is b is cancelled, remaining it is c into it is minus it is 1. That is equal to a minus it is c, that is equal to 0. Then it is, what is the value of it is a equal to 1. Therefore 1 minus c, that is equal to 0. Therefore transfer the c side, it becomes plus it is 1 plus it is c, that is equal to 1. Now we have to substitute it is again, when it is x that is equal to minus it is 1. For the second equation, the left hand side we have it is 2x, 2 into minus 1 it is equal to a into x value equal to minus 2 whole square plus it is 1 plus it is b into minus 1 plus it is c into minus 1 as x value, minus 1 it is minus it is 1 in second equation. Therefore minus 2 is equal to a into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Then minus it is b, minus plus it is minus it is b plus it is c into it is minus 2. That is equal to 2 it is a plus just multiply here it is minus plus it is 2b minus it is 2c, that is equal to minus 2. Now just replace value of it is a equal to 1 and c equal to 1 in this equation. That is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2 it is b minus 2 into c value also it is 1. Therefore that is equal to 2 minus plus it is 2b minus 2, that is left hand side we have minus 2. Therefore plus 2 minus 2 both are will cancel. The left hand side minus 2 remaining, that is equal to 2 it is b. Therefore b equal to minus 2 by it is 2, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore b value equal to minus 1. Now we know the value of it is a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 1 and c equal to plus it is 1. Just we can substitute to the first equation. What will obtain? That is implies a value equal to 1. Therefore 1 by x minus is 1 plus b value equal to minus 1. Therefore minus it is 1 into x plus it is c value equal to 1 by it is x square plus it is 1. That is equal to 1 by x minus it is 1 plus it is minus 1 into x minus x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x by x square plus it is 1. And this final simplification of it is a partial fraction. Come to next example number 2.27, 27th example. Resolve into the partial it is fraction the given expression x plus 1 by x square into x minus it is 1. Now this one we have to decompose into, first we can write a power form. a by it is x first factor, plus it is b by x square, b by it is x square, plus it another it is one more factor, it is c by it is x minus 1. So we have some of the term in the power form. First we can write it is a by x, the plus it is b by x square, then another it is factor in the c by it is x minus 1, and this equation is defined by it is 1. Now we can take common denominator as usually, x square into x minus 1 is common denominator. For the first it is denominator, we have only it is x term, we need as one more x and also x minus it is 1, it is factor. Therefore we multiply a with it is x into x it is minus it is 1. Plus x square term we want to multiply with b with the x minus 1. Therefore b into x minus 1. Plus c, we have one factor x minus 1, just we have to multiply with c with the x square, therefore c into x square. Now left hand side equation, x plus it is 1 by x square into x minus it is 1, both are same denominator, both are cancelled, remaining it is x plus it is 1, that is equal to a x into x it is minus 1 plus it is b into x minus 1 plus it is c into x square remaining. That is equation you can define by equation 2. Now what we have to do next point, if you substitute x value equal to 1 and this it is term and this term both are it is cancelled, be possible to find out value of it is c. And supposed to be we can put x value equal to 0, so 0 into this a and this terms are it is cancelled, therefore total first term becomes 0, and 0 in the minus 1 be possible to obtain the b value, but in last term it is 0, 0 into c. Therefore put x value equal to 1 and put x value equal to 0. We can put any other value for it is x to find out unknown value of it is a. Now first one, when put x is equal to plus it is 1. Therefore left hand side put x equal to 1, 1 plus it is 1, that is equal to a into 1 into 1 minus it is 1 plus it is b into 1 minus it is 1 plus it is c into 1 square. Therefore 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 0 plus 1 minus 1 0 plus it is 1 square is called 1, it is 1 into c is called, simply you can write c. Therefore c is equal to 2, c is equal to 2. Next we can substitute the value x equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, the left hand side equation for second equation 1 0 plus it is 1, that is equal to x value equal to 0, 0 plus it is 1, that is equal to a into 0 minus it is 1 plus b into 0 minus 1 plus it is c into 0 it is whole square. Therefore 0 plus 1, 1, that is equal to this term totally it is 0 because of 0 into the total term 0 plus it is b into minus it is 1 plus 0 into c it is 0. Therefore it is minus b is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus it is 1. Now we can give any other value for it is x, put it is x that is equal to minus it is 1. What is the second equation? Minus it is 1 plus it is 1 is equal to a into minus 1 into minus 1 minus it is 1 plus it is b into minus it is 1 minus 1 plus it is c into minus 1 whole square. Put x value equal to minus 1. Therefore minus 1 plus 1 0, that is equal to, then it is a into minus 1, it is minus 2. Then it is b into minus 2 plus it is minus 1 plus it is 1, it is into c. Therefore 0 that is equal to minus plus it is 2 into a minus it is 2b plus it is c. Now we know the value of c equal to 2, then it is b equal to minus 1, replace here. 0 that is equal to 2a plus minus 2 into b value equal to minus it is 1, then c value equal to 2. Just simplify the value, that is equal to 0 that is equal to 2a, then minus plus it is 2, then it is plus it is 2. That is equal to 2a plus it is 4, just transfer the left hand side equation 4, minus 4 is equal to it is 2a, therefore a equal to minus it is 4 by it is 2 is equal to minus 2. Therefore it is a value equal to minus 2. Now we have to substitute value of a, b and c in the first it is equation. Now what is first? Now the first equation that implies x plus it is 1 by x square into x minus 1, that is equal to a value. A value equal to minus 2 by it is x plus b value equal to minus 1. B value equal to minus 1 by it is x square. Then plus it is c value is equal to 2 by it is x minus 1. Therefore, that is equal to minus 2 by it is x, minus into plus it is minus 1 by x square, plus it is 2 by it is x minus 1, and it is called, it is final simplification for by applying of it is partial fraction. Next, come to exercise problem 2.9. Resolve the following rational expressions into partialities fractions. First one, 1 by x square minus a square. So now given equation 1 by x square minus it is a square, that we can write as it is 1 by a square minus b square form, x plus it is a into x minus it is a. Now we have to separating of this, it is the rational expression, and applying of partial fraction to separate, decompose into rational expressions. So it is a by it is x plus it is a plus it is b by it is x minus it is a, to separating of its denominator. Now we want to take common denominator, x plus it is a into x minus it is a, denominator just cross by term, a into x minus it is a plus it is b into x plus it is a, and that is equal to 1 by x square minus it is a square, and both are same, both are it is cancelled. Therefore, 1 equal to this term. Therefore, 1 is equal to a into x minus it is a plus it is b into x plus it is a. So now we want to substitute either it is x equal to it is plus a or minus a to find the value of it is a and b. First we have to put it is x that is equal to plus it is a. Therefore, left hand side 1 that is equal to a into x value you can put as it is a minus it is a plus it is b into a plus it is a, and 1 that is equal to a minus a is 0 plus it is add the value it is 2 into a into b. Therefore, it is 1 that is equal to 2a it is capital B. Find out as b that is equal to 1 by it is 2 it is a, 1 by it is 2a, value of it is b. Again we have substitute value of when x equal to it is minus a. When it is x is equal to minus it is a, therefore for equation, this equation it is called supposed to be 1 that is equal to a into minus it is a as x value minus it is a plus it is b into minus a plus it is a, and it is equal to minus a minus it is 2 it is a into capital A plus minus a plus a, it becomes value becomes 0, that is equal to 1. Therefore, it simply it is a that is equal to 1 by it is 2 it is a minus minus the numerator. Therefore, we apply the value of a and b, just substitute in this equation. Therefore, what is the value of it is a value equal to minus 1 by it is 2a by x plus it is a, x plus it is a, plus b value equal to 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a by it is x minus it is a. Now just rewrite the answer, let 2a comes denominator, minus 1 by 2a into x plus it is a plus 1 by 2a into x minus it is a, and this finally it is simplification, for it is given it is sum. Come to next question number 3. X by x plus it is 1 x. Come to next question number 3. X by x square plus it is 1 x minus 1 x plus it is 2. So the given expression x by x square plus it is 1 into x minus it is 1 into x plus it is 2. And this we have to decompose it, applying a partial fraction. First we have to write the two factors are x minus 1, x minus 2. After that it is quadratic equation x square plus it is 1. We are applying of it is non-real roots. Therefore corresponding numerator we can write a linear equation. Therefore, first we can write it is a by x minus 1 plus it is another factor, it is b by it is x plus it is 2 plus the denominator is called x square plus it is 1, the corresponding numerator obtained linear form, that is called cx plus it is d. Now this equation we can call that is equal to 1. Now taking off common denominator, the common denominator x minus it is 1 into x plus it is 2 into it is x square plus it is 1. Just we have to multiply the term along with it is a x plus 2 and x square plus 1. Therefore, multiply with the a with it is x plus it is 2 into it is x square plus it is 1 plus and multiply b with the x minus 1 into x plus square plus it is 1. Therefore, b x minus is 1 into x square plus it is 1 plus it is cx plus it is d. We want to multiply with the term x square x minus 1 x plus it is 2. Therefore, x minus 1 into x plus it is 2. So now the left hand side equation x by x square plus it is 1 into it is x minus it is 1 into x plus it is 2. Both are same denominator, both are it is cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to a into x plus it is 2 into x square plus it is 1 plus it is b into x minus it is 1 into x square plus it is 1 plus it is cx plus it is d into x minus it is 1 into x plus it is 2. And this it is equation just we can call that is equal to 2. Now next step, just we have put x value equal to it is minus it is 2, minus 2 we can put x value equal to minus 2, this plus 2 both are 0. Then here also minus 2 plus 2 0. Therefore, next when put x is equal to minus 2 in second equation. The second equation that implies left hand side it is x value equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to a into minus 2 plus it is 2 into minus 2 it is whole square plus it is 1 plus it is b into minus 2 minus it is 1 within the bracket minus 2 it is whole square plus it is 1 plus it is c into minus 2 plus it is d into minus 2 minus 1 then it is minus 2 plus it is 2. Therefore, left hand side minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 into the total term it is 0 plus it is b into minus 2 minus it is 1 minus 3 into it is minus 2 whole square minus 2 plus it is 4 plus it is 1 it is 5. Therefore, plus it is 5 plus it is c into it is value it is minus 2c plus d but it is here it is become 0. Therefore, totally the term that is equal to 0. And that is equal to these two terms are vanished and separate the term minus it is 15 it is b that is equal to minus 2. The minus minus cancel, that implies b equal to 2 by it is 15. 2 by it is 15 is called b value. Again just we have to simplify and x that is equal to multiply this two bracket x power it is 3 plus it is x. Then multiply this two term plus it is 2x square plus it is 2. Then multiply these two bracket b into x power it is 3 plus it is x minus it is x square plus it is minus it is 1 minus x square minus it is 1. Then plus it is cx plus it is d into multiply the term it is x square minus it is plus it is 2x minus it is x minus it is 2 and that is equal to a into x power 3 plus it is 2x square plus it is x plus it is 2 plus it is b into x power it is 3 minus it is x square plus it is x minus it is 1 plus it is term and this simplification x square plus it is x minus it is 2. And just we have to multiply these two brackets and c into x power it is 3, x power it is 3. Then plus it is cx square, cx into x cx square and then it is minus it is 2cx, then multiply with this term, plus it is dx square, and plus it is dx minus 2 it is d. Now just multiply a into x power 3 plus it is 2ax square plus it is ax plus it is 2 it is a plus it is b x power it is 3 minus it is bx square plus it is bx minus it is b. Then multiply here plus it is c x power it is 3 plus it is c it is square minus 2cx plus it is d dx square plus it is dx minus 2 it is d. Now taking x power 3 it is common, it is term x power 3 ax power 3 plus bx power 3 plus c x power it is 3. There is no x power 3 remaining. Then take it is plus it is x square term it is commonly 2a, 2 it is a, then minus it is b, plus it is c, then it is plus it is d, x square term. Then taking x term as common, plus it is x term is common, a, plus it is b, there is no x term here, it is minus it is 2c, plus it is d, then constant term 2a, plus it is 2 it is a, minus it is b, then it is minus it is 2d, this x term. This term equation defined by it is equation number 3. Left hand side is equal to x. Okay, next step, just previously we substituted two values x equal to plus 1, x equal to minus 2. We obtained two value of a and b, a equal to 1 by 6, b equal to 2 by it is 15. Again we have to put x value equal to some other value, it takes long in this procedure. To avoiding of that long procedure, just we can apply some other techniques, and that is called equating the method. Now equating quotient of it is x power 3, the left hand side we have it is x term, and that it is x term defined by it is x0, 0 x power 3 plus 0 it is x square plus it is x plus it is 0. And this expression quotient of it is x power 3, left hand side that is quotient equal to 0, the right hand side quotient of x power 3 equal to a plus b plus c. Now equating coefficient of x power it is 3 and left hand side equation that is equal to 0, right hand side there is equation quotient of x power 3 equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus it is c. Now we know the value of a and b, a value equal to 1 by 6, b value equal to 2 by it is 15, plus it is c, that is equal to 0. Therefore c equal to minus 1 by 6 minus 2 by it is 15, that is equal to take common number multiply term, 6 into 15 it is 90, cross product term minus 15 minus it is 12. And it is equal to minus 27 by it is 90, cancelled by 9th table, it is 3 times 27, it is 10 times it is 90, that is equal to minus 3 by it is 10, that is value of c. Therefore it is c that is equal to minus 3 by it is 10. Now again, next equating the quotient of x square term and x term and constant term, and comparatively it is least number of terms. Already we know a value, b value, we want to find out d value. So equating the quotient of it is constant term. The constant quotient left hand side equal to 0, the right hand side equal to 2a minus b minus 2d. Therefore equating constant term, the left hand side quotient of constant term defined by 0, and right hand side quotient of constant term 2a minus it is 2d. 2 it is a minus it is b minus it is 2 it is d, and that is equal to 2 into a value equal to 1 by 6 minus b value equal to 2 by it is 15 minus it is 2d, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 2 by it is, cancel the value, it is 3, therefore 1 by 3 minus it is 2 by it is 15 minus 2 it is d, that is equal to 0. And just it is this term transfer to 2d left hand side equation, therefore 2d that is equal to 1 by 3 minus it is 2 by it is 15, and multiply by it is 5, that is equal to 5 by it is 15. Then it is minus 2 by it is 15. That is equal to separate term, it is 3 by it is 15. And it's called 2d. Therefore, it is d is equal to 3 by it is 2 into it is 15. Now it is cancelled, it is by it is 5. That is equal to 1 by it is 10. Therefore it is d equal to 1 by it is 10. d equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, the equation 1, that is equation 1, that implies x by x square plus it is 1 into x minus it is 1 into x plus it is 2, that is equal to a by it is x minus it is 1 plus b by it is x plus it is 2 plus it is cd cx plus it is d by it is x square plus it is 1. It is equation 1. And now we want to substitute the value of a, b, c, d. A value equal to 1 by it is 6 by x minus it is 1 plus it is b value equal to 2 by it is 15. 2 by it is 15 by it is x plus it is 2 plus it is c value equal to minus 3 by 10 minus 3 by it is 10 into it is x plus it is d value equal to 1 by it is 10 1 by it is 10 by it is x square plus it is 1. Now just write these terms are denominator form. 1 by 6 into x minus it is 1 and plus it is 2 by it is 15 into x plus it is 2 and then it is plus we can take common denominator equal to 10, that comes denominator. Therefore minus 3x plus it is 1 by it is 10 into x square plus it is 1. And this is the final, it is simplification of it is given it is sum. Come to next question number 4. X by x minus 1 whole power 3 using the partial fraction to solve the sum. Now given x by x minus it is 1 whole power 3, we can rewrite as it is decomposition of denominator. It is a by x minus 1 plus it is b by x minus it is 1, it is whole square plus c by it is x minus 1 whole power it is 3. Now call this, it is equation defined by it is 1. Now we want to take common denominator. The common denominator x minus it is 1 whole power it is 3 and just we want to multiply with the a with, we have only one factor x minus 1, we want to multiply with the a x minus 1 whole square. Therefore multiply a with x minus it is 1, it is whole square plus it is b x minus 1 whole square, we have one more, it is factor is called x minus 1 multiply divided by, therefore b into x minus it is 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole power 3, we have denominator, just write c. Now left hand side equation x by x minus it is 1, it is whole power 3, both denominator are same, cancel. Therefore x is equal to a into x minus it is 1 whole square plus it is b into x minus it is 1 plus it is c. Now this equation we call and that is equal to 2. From this equation just we have to substitute x value equal to 1 and just the a term and it is b term are cancelled, it will be possible to find out the value of it is c. Now when x is equal to 1, put x equal to 1 that is equal to a into 1 minus it is 1 whole square plus b into 1 minus it is 1 plus it is c. Therefore 1 that is equal to this term is cancelled 0 and this term is cancelled 0 plus it is c. Therefore c that is equal to 1. c that is equal to 1. Now next up just we have to expand this step. Therefore second equation that implies left hand side equation x that is equal to a into x minus it is 1 whole square plus it is b into x minus it is 1 plus it is c. Now expand the value a into a minus b whole square formula, a equal to x, b equal to it is 1. Therefore x square minus 2 it is x plus it is 1. A square minus 2ab plus b square plus it is, just multiply the b into the bracket, bx minus it is b plus it is c. Now multiply a into the bracket, a into x square minus 2ax plus it is a plus it is bx minus it is b plus it is c, that is equal to x. Now that is equal to ax square, it is x square term only one term and collecting of x term it is commonly, take x is commonly minus 2a minus 2a plus it is b and constant term it is plus it is a minus it is b plus it is c, this constant term. that is equal to, it is 0, it is x square, plus it is x, plus it is 0. X term we can write as 0x square plus x plus constant term also 0. Now equating the coefficient of it is x square term in the both side. Therefore equating the coefficient of x square term. What is the coefficient of x square term? Left hand side equation 0. The right hand side equation that is equal to a. Therefore 0 that is equal to a. Therefore it is a equal to 0. A equal to 0. Now again equating the constant term. Left hand side equal to 0. Right hand side equal to a minus b plus it is c. Now again what is that? Equating it is constant term. Therefore left hand side constant term quotient that is equal to 0. The right hand side constant term equal to a minus it is b plus it is c. Now just it is substitute the value of a and c. A value equal to 0, c value equal to 1. Therefore 0 that is equal to a value equal to 0 minus b plus c value that is equal to 1. Now therefore it is 0 that is equal to minus b plus it is 1. Just transfer the b the side, b that is equal to 1. B equal to 1. Now we know the value of a equal to 0, b equal to 1 and c equal to 1. Substitute in the first it is equation. Therefore final answer it is x by x minus it is 1 whole power 3 that is equal to a by x minus 1, a value equal to 0, 0 by x minus 1 plus b value equal to 1, 1 by x minus it is 1 it is whole square plus it is c value equal to 1. Therefore 1 by it is x minus 1 it is whole square and this term is vanished. Remaining it is 1 by x minus it is 1 whole square plus 1 by x minus it is 1 whole power 3. This is finally the simplification of the given expression. Come to next question number 5. The given expression 1 by x power 4 minus it is 1. Therefore given expression 1 by x power it is 4 minus it is 1 that is equal to 1 by it is x square it is whole square minus 1. X power 4 we can write x square it is whole square. And applying a formula it is a square minus b square is equal to a plus it is b into it is a minus it is b. Apply this it is formula. Here a equal to x square and b equal to it is write as 1 square. That is equal to 1 by a plus b x square plus it is 1. Then write as it is x square it is minus it is 1. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b form. Now that is equal again, we apply formula, this one it is 1 by x square plus 1 right as it is and this it is 1 it is x square minus this 1 square form. Again write as a square minus b square form that is equal to 1 by x square plus it is 1 as it is. Write as a square minus b square as x square minus 1 square equal to x plus it is 1 into x minus it is 1. Now this using this last expression just we applying of it is a decomposition by applying a partial fraction. Therefore this it is equation 1 by x square plus it is 1 into x plus it is 1 into x minus it is 1 that is equal to first write a by it is x plus it is 1 this factor plus it is b by it is x minus 1 this factor plus it is cx plus it is d. Because it is denominator it is x square plus it is 1. It is a quadratic equation. The corresponding it is numerator we write a linear it is form. Because the denominator obtained it is non-real roots. Therefore non-real roots. Therefore corresponding it is the denominator is called quadratic equation. The corresponding numerator we can write linear form. It is cx plus it is d. Now just we can taking off common denominator. The common denominator equal to x plus it is 1 into x minus it is 1 into it is x square plus it is 1. Now just we find out as it is a term to multiply with a. We have only one factor x plus 1. The remaining two factors x minus 1, x plus it is 1 we want to multiply with a. Therefore a into x minus 1 into x square plus it is 1 plus it is along with the b we want to multiply these two it is factor b into x plus it is 1 into x square plus it is 1 plus it is cx plus it is d multiply with these two it is factor it is x plus it is 1 into it is x minus it is 1. Now left hand side equation 1 by x square plus it is 1 into it is x plus it is 1 into x minus it is 1. Both are same denominator, both are cancelled. Therefore left hand side remaining 1 that is equal to a into x minus it is 1 into x square plus it is 1 plus it is b into x plus it is 1 into x square plus it is 1 plus it is cx plus it is d into it is applying of a plus b a minus b a square minus b square form, it is x square minus it is 1. Now we call this it is equation that is equal to that is equal to it is 1. We call this equation equal to 1 and this equation is defined by is 2. Now what is the next step? Just we are substituting x values. First we have to substitute x value equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, this term will cancel. 1 minus it is 1, it is this term will cancel. Therefore, we possible to find out the value of it is b. Supposed to be we can put x value equal to minus 1 and this term will cancel and the only this terms only cancel. After that we can put as a simplification some other it is x values. Now first just we want to put it as x that is equal to plus it is 1. What is it left hand side? 1 that is equal to a into 1 minus it is 1 into 1 square, it is 1 square plus it is 1 plus it is b into 1 plus it is 1 1 plus 1 into 1 square plus it is 1 plus it is c into 1 plus it is d c into x value equal to 1 plus it is d into 1 square minus it is 1. Therefore 1 minus 1 equal to 0, therefore the total first term equal to 0 plus it is b into 1 plus 1 2, then 1 square is called 1 1 plus 1 equal to 2 plus it is 1 minus 1 equal to 0, therefore third term is 0 and that is equal to 1. Now multiply 4b, 4 it is b that is equal to 1, therefore it is b equal to 1 by it is 4, b equal to 1 by 4. And similarly next we have to substitute the x value equal to it is minus 1 to find out the some other it is unknown number. Now when it is x that is equal to minus it is 1, what is the term? Left hand side that is equal to 1, it is equal to a into minus 1 into minus 1 it is whole square plus it is 1 plus it is b into minus 1 plus it is 1 into minus 1 whole square plus it is 1 plus it is c into minus 1 plus it is d into it is minus 1 it is whole square minus it is 1. That we have to put value of x equal to minus 1. Now that is equal to a into minus 1 minus 2, then minus 1 whole square plus it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 it is plus it is 2 plus it is and this term minus 1 plus 1 that it is 0, therefore totally the second term becomes 0 and plus it is within the bracket of minus c plus it is d into minus 1 it is plus 1 into minus 1 become it is 0. Therefore it is equal to minus it is plus minus 4 it is a, then it is this term it is cancelled is 0, that is equal to 1, that is equal to minus it is 4a equal to 1, therefore it is a that is equal to minus 1 by 4, that is value of it is a, value of it is a. Now next just we have to simplify the equation number it is 2. The left hand side equation 1 that is equal to a into multiply these two bracket and x into x square it is x power 3 plus it is x, then minus it is x square, then minus into plus it is minus it is 1, then plus it is b into multiply these two bracket x into x square it is called x power it is 3 plus it is x plus it is x square and plus it is 1, then multiply these two terms, then it is multiply term it is c into x power it is 3, then minus c it is x, then it is plus it is d it is x square minus it is d. Multiply a and b into the bracket, that is equal to a into x power it is 3 plus it is ax minus it is a it is x square minus a plus it is b x power it is 3 plus it is bx plus b it is x square plus it is b plus it is c x power 3 minus c it is x plus it is d x square minus it is d. Now what we want to do to collecting of it is x power 3 term, x cube term separately. It is called take x power 3 term it is commonly. X power 3 quotient equal to a here, x power 3 a quotient equal to b here, x power 3 quotient that is equal to c here. Therefore a plus it is b plus it is c, it is plus it is c, it is x power 3 quotient. Now collecting of it is x square quotients are minus it is a plus it is b, then plus it is d. Then take x terms, x term, plus it is a, plus it is b, minus it is c. Then cutting off it is constant terms, minus a, minus it is a, plus it is b, minus it is d. It is constant term. Now, using this it is equation, just we have to write it is equating quotient of it x power 3, x square term, x term and constant term to find out the remaining of two unknown values are it is c and d. Now just find out as it is equating the quotient of it is x power 3 term here. What is that equating? Equating coefficient of x power 3. What is the left hand side term? We can rewrite this one as what? 0 x power it is 3 plus 0 it is x square plus 0x plus it is 1. So equation of left hand side equation x power 3 equation that is equal to 0. 0 that is equal to right hand side equation that is equal to a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. Now we know the value of a equal to what? Minus 1 by 4. And what is the value of it is b? 1 by it is 4 plus it is c. So already we apply the value of a equal to minus 1 by 4 and b value equal to 1 by 8 is 4. Just substitute, that is equal to 0. And just it is plus minus it is 1 by 4 plus it is 1 by 4. Both are term are cancelled. Therefore c that is equal to 0. C that is equal to 0. Now equating the constant term in the both side. What is that? It is equating constant terms. What is the left hand side equation? Constant term that is equal to 1. And right hand side constant term that is equal to minus a plus it is b minus d. Minus it is a plus it is b minus it is d. That is equal to minus of a value equal to minus 1 by 4 plus it is b value equal to 1 by 4 minus d. That is equal to minus plus it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus it is 1 by it is 4 minus it is d. That is equal to 1. Now just transfer this term to left hand side equation, constant term right hand side equation. Therefore d that is equal to 1 by 4 plus it is 1 by it is 4 plus minus it is 1. The next line we want to take this common denominator 1 plus 1 and minus it is 4 and that is equal to 2 minus it is 4 by it is 4 that is equal to minus 2 by it is 4 that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore it is value of d equal to minus 1 by it is 2 minus 1 by 2. So now we know the value of it is ABCD. Now just we have to substitute the value of ABCD in the first equation. In the first equation. What is first equation? 1 by the given expression 1 by it is x power it is 4 plus it is 1 x power 4 minus 1 it is equal to a by it is x plus it is 1 plus it is b by it is x minus 1 plus it is cx plus it is d by it is x square plus it is 1. It is equation number it is 1. Equation number 1 that implies. Now that is equal to a value we know minus 1 by it is 4 by it is x plus it is 1 plus it is b value we know 1 by 4 by it is x minus it is 1 plus c value equal to c obtained this value equal to 0 into x plus d obtained the value equal to minus it is 1 by it is 2 by it is x square plus it is 1. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 into x plus it is 1. Just transfer to denominator. Plus it is 1 by it is 4 into x minus it is 1. Plus it is 0 will cancel. Minus it is 1 by 2 into x square plus it is 1. And the final it is simplification by applying of it is separating of it is partial fraction. Come to next question number 6. X minus 1 whole square by x cube plus it is x. Just we have to simplify that is equal to x minus it is 1 whole square by x power 3 plus x we can take it is x is common. Therefore x into x square plus it is 1. Therefore this x square plus 1 is called quadratic equation. Now we have to split this denominator. It is a by it is x first factor plus it is the denominator is called x square plus it is 1 denominator. The corresponding numerator it is in the linear form. What is linear form? Bx plus it is c. So we applying of it is applying of it common term for x cube plus it is 1. We can take x The remaining it is called x square plus 1. X square plus 1 is called quadratic in this equation. We are obtaining one of the roots is called, it is imaginary roots, that is called non-real zeros. For that quadratic equation, the corresponding numerator obtained linear form equal to bx plus c. Now after that we know how to solve. Just we are applying of it is taking common denominator, what we have previously discussed, same in this procedure to simplify, and you do as this as some as homework. Come to next question number 8. X power 3 plus it is x plus it is 1 by x square plus 5x plus 6. Now look at this expression, and it is improper, it is expression. Why? Because the degree of the numerator is less than it is degree of denominator. So the numerator degree only greatest to 1, compare the denominator degree. Therefore we convert this improper expression as it is mixed expression. So first we have to applying of it is division algorithm. Numerator x power it is 3 plus 0 it is x square plus it is 2 it is x plus it is 1. And denominator it is x square plus it is 5 it is x plus it is 6. Now we want to cancel x power 3, just we have to multiply with x square with the x. Therefore x into x square, x power it is 3. X into 5x plus it is 5 it is x square. X into 6 it is plus it is 6 it is x. Just we have to cancel, it is separated by, it is minus symbol, minus plus both are cancelled. Minus it is it is 5 it is x square, then minus 6 plus it is 4, minus it is 4 it is x, then it is external it is plus it is 1. Again we want to cancel minus 5 x square, we want to multiply with the x square with the minus 5. Therefore minus it is 5, minus 5 into x square it is minus it is 5 it is x square, minus into plus it is minus 5 into 5 it is 25, 25 it is 25 it is x, then minus 5 into plus it is 6, minus it is 30. Now sign change, multiply by minus, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, then minus into minus it is plus. Now plus it is 5x square, minus 5x square, both are cancelled. Plus it is 25, minus it is 4, therefore plus it is 21 it is x, plus it is 30, plus 30, plus it is 1 it is plus it is 31, plus it is 31. It is defined by, it is what? It is remainder. And this one defined by, it is a quotient, and this one defined by, it is a divisor. Now applying of division algorithm, the given expression x power it is 3 plus 2x plus it is 1 by x square plus it is 5 it is x plus 6, we can rewrite as it is, how to write it is a quotient plus it is remainder by divisor. So what is quotient plus it is remainder by it is divisor, that is equal to quotient defined by x minus it is 5 plus remainder is equal to 21x plus it is 30 it is 1 by divisor it is x square plus it is 5x plus it is 6. Now the given improper it is expression, just first we have to convert it is a mixed it is expression. Now what we have to do, and we have to take this it is term to applying of it is partial fraction to separating of denominator. Now let us consider 21 it is x plus it is 31 by x square plus it is 5 it is x plus it is 6. And this equation we can consider this equal to 1. Now what we have to do, factorize denominator. 21 it is x plus it is 31 by factorize 6 and it is 5. You want to multiply two term, it is 2 and it is 3, 2 and it is 3, 2 3s are it is 6, add the value you can get 5. Therefore x plus it is 2 into x plus it is 3 are 2 factors. Now by applying of partial it is fraction to decompose denominator, first factor is called it is x plus 1, the numerator is called a by it is x plus it is 2, then it is second denominator, denominator is called x plus 3, the corresponding numerator defined by b by it is x plus it is 3. Now call this equation is equal to 2. So now come to take common it is denominator. 21x plus 31 by x square plus it is 5x plus it is 6, that is equal to taking a common denominator x plus 2 into it is x plus it is 3. Just it is taking off cross product, a is multiplied with x plus 3 and b is multiplied by x plus 2. Therefore, a into x plus it is 3 plus it is b into x plus it is 2. Now both are same and both are it is cancelled, that is equal to a into x plus it is 3 plus it is b into x plus it is 2, and it is equal to 21x plus 31. And this it is equation, just we have to substitute the value of it is x equal to either x equal to minus 3, this term will cancel, put x equal to minus 2 and this term will cancel to find the value of a and b. Now first when it is put, it is x that is equal to minus is 2, therefore 21 into it is 2 plus it is 31, that is equal to a into minus 2 plus it is 3 plus it is b into minus 2, it is plus 2. Therefore, it is equal to minus 2 plus it is 1, a into 1, and minus 2 plus 2 it cancels 0, that is equal to a. Now multiply, it is 25 into 2, it is 42 plus it is 31, and add the value, it is 70, it is 3, 73. So 21 into minus 3 plus it is 31, that is equal to a into minus 3 plus it is 3 plus it is b into minus 3 plus it is 2. Therefore, minus 63 plus it is 31, that is equal to 0 minus plus it is b into minus it is 1, that is equal to minus b, minus it is b. Now just subtract that term, and separate term, minus it is 63 plus it is 31, therefore 2 and 3 minus, therefore minus it is 32, and minus minus cancel, therefore b equal to 32, b equal to 32. Now just it is substitute, it is a and b value in the second equation, that is the value of it is a, value of a equal to 73, therefore that is equal to 73 by x plus it is 2 plus it is b value equal to 32, therefore b value equal to 32 by x plus it is 3. We obtain the value of it is this it is term, and just replace here, replace the first equation. Therefore the final it is answer, the first equation, that implies x minus it is 5 plus it is this it is factor as defined by it is 73 by x plus it is 2 plus it is 32 by it is x plus it is 3, and this is the final it is simplification by applying of it is a partial fraction. Come to next question number, it is 9. X plus 12 by x plus it is 1 whole square into x minus it is 2. Now look at the denominator. One is it is a square it is factor, another one is single it is factor. For this one we applied x plus it is 12 by it is x minus 2 into it is x plus it is 1 whole square. We can rewrite as it is denominator. First term it is a by it is x minus 2 plus b by it is x plus it is 1, and within the bracket it is term, plus it is c by it is x plus it is 1 it is whole square. Because of it is a power it is factor. One of the factor it is called x minus 1, x plus 1 whole square, we can rewrite as it is x plus 1, another it is term x plus 1 it is whole square, and this it is equation we call that is equal to 1. Now what we have to do next line, we can take common denominator. Common denominator it is x plus x minus 2 into x plus it is 1 it is whole square. Now for it is a's corresponding denominator x minus 1, we need that another factor x plus 1 it is whole square. Therefore multiply with the a, it is x plus it is 1 it is whole square, plus it is multiply b with the x minus 1, one more it is factor it is x plus it is 1, therefore b multiply b with the x minus it is 2 into x plus it is 1. Then it is c have the denominator x plus 1 whole square, we need one more factor x minus 2, therefore c is multiplied with the x minus it is 2. Now left hand side equation, x plus it is 12 by x minus it is 2 into x plus it is 1 it is whole square, both denominators are cancelled, therefore left hand side equation x plus it is 12, that is equal to a into x plus it is 1 whole square plus it is b into x minus it is 2 into x plus it is 1 plus c into x minus it is 2, and this it is equation simply we can call that is equal to 2. Now in the second equation, just it is put x1 equal to minus 1, and this term will cancel and this term will cancel, it will be possible to find out value of c. If put x value equal to 2, 2 minus 2, this term will become 0. Therefore, the second term cancel and third term cancel will be possible to find out the value of it is a. After that, we can put any one value of x to find out a c. Now, first, when it is put x is equal to minus, it is 1. What is it? X value equal to minus 1 plus it is 12, that is equal to a into minus 1 plus 1, it is whole square, plus b into minus 1 minus it is 2 into minus 1 plus it is 1 plus it is c into minus 1 minus it is 2. Now that is equal to minus 1 plus it is 12, it is 11, that is equal to, and minus 1 plus 1 is 0, therefore first term it is cancelled, plus it is b into minus 1 minus 2 minus it is 3. Then minus 1 plus 1 it is 0, this term also cancel. Therefore plus c into minus 1 minus 2 minus it is 3. Therefore second term also it is cancelled, then first term also cancel. Therefore minus 3c equal to 11. 11 that is equal to minus 3c, therefore c equal to 11 by it is minus 3, that is equal to minus 11 by it is 3, that is value of it is c. The next just put x value equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, that implies second equation, the left hand side equation, it is x value equal to 2 plus it is 12, that is equal to a into 2 plus it is 1, it is whole square into, plus it is b into 2 minus it is 2 into 2 plus it is 1 plus it is c into 2 minus 2 last term. Therefore, that is equal to 12 plus 2 equal to 14, that is equal to a into 3 it is whole square plus it is, this term is cancelled, this term cancelled, 0 plus it is 0. That is equal to multiply 3 square is called 9, 9 it is a, that is equal to 14, therefore a equal to 14 by it is 9, 14 by 9. X is equal to put 0. What is the second equation? 0 plus it is 12, that is equal to a into 0, 0 plus it is 1, it is whole square, plus it is b into 0 minus it is 2 into 0 plus it is 1 plus it is c into 0 minus it is 2. Therefore, that is equal to left hand side is 12, a into 0 plus 1 is called 1, 1 square is called it is 1 plus it is b into minus 2 plus it is 1 plus c into it is minus 2. That is equal to a minus it is 2, it is b minus 2c, that is equal to 12. We know the value of it is c and it is a. A value equal to plus it is 14 by 9 minus 2 it is b minus 2 into c value equal to minus 11 by it is 3. The next one, that is equal to 12, that is equal to 14 by 9 minus 2 it is b minus plus it is 22 by it is 3. Now just it is transfer the 2b to right hand side equation, left hand side equation, 12 to right hand side equation. Therefore 2 it is b, that is equal to 14 by 9 plus it is 22 by it is 3 minus it is 12. Now just we have to take common denominator equal to it is 9. Therefore 2 it is b is equal to 9 is it is common denominator, 14 it is as it is, just it is multiplied divided by it is 3, then only you get common denominator equal to it is 9. We want to multiply it by it is 3, then only you can get 9. Therefore 3 multiplied with 22 it is 66. Then just it is 9 is multiplied with 12, 108. 108 it is 8. And that is equal to, just add a term, it is 14 plus it is 66, it is 0, 7 it is 8. Now it is minus it is 108 and 18, just add the value, it is minus it is 20, it is 8. Therefore minus it is 20, it is 8 by it is 9. That is equal to 2, it is b. Therefore b equal to minus 28 by 9 into it is 2, cancel the term, that is equal to 14. That is equal to minus it is 14 by 9, it is value of it is b. Value of it is b. Now we know the value of it is a, value of b and value of it is c. Just we want to substitute the value in the first equation. Therefore, the equation 1 that implies a by it is x minus 2 plus it is b by it is x plus it is 1 plus it is c by it is x plus it is 1, it is whole square. This is equation 1. Now this is equal to a value equal to 14 by it is 9 by x minus 2 plus it is b value equal to minus it is 14 by 9 x plus it is 1 plus it is c value equal to minus 11 by 3 the express it is 1, it is whole square. Just rewrite the term, just this write denominator form, it is 14 by 9 into x minus it is 2, minus it is 14 by 9 into x plus it is 1, then minus it is 11 by it is 3 into x plus it is 1, it is whole square, and this is the final it is simplification. Dear student, and today we learn the new it is exercise, that is applying of it is partial fraction to decomposing of it is given expression. The next class we are going to see next topic. Thank you.